Okay, I'm back with a question for the community because I'm sort of confused as to what's happening here. So first of all, I did notice that I bought this headlight adjuster and mount kit. It's a general GM kit for 58 to 82. So it's supposed to work with Corvettes, and I think it does, but it's not specifically for Corvettes. The first thing that I noticed is that these plastic parts have these little tails on them, little tangs or whatever they're called. It was kind of like that. And I guess that's for some cars or some older vets. If you're going to put them on a 68 to 72 or 68 to 82, you got to lose those because they don't fit if you try to put this in there like that. So first of all, cut those off. But then secondly, I'm confused as to why we have a set of nuts in this kit. It's supposed to be a headlight kit. I've got springs. I've got 4 plastic parts. I know what those are for. I've got the screws and the lock washers, but why do I need nuts? There's no nuts listed anywhere in this situation. Where do you put nuts? I mean, setting myself up there. But where do you put the nut? Why do I have nuts in here? Secondly, and thirdly, where are the screws to attach the springs? I'm assuming the springs go here, but I don't have a screw for that. Only got 8. So that's kind of my question. What's going on here, you guys? Why is this working or not working? Is this correct or not? What do I need to finish this job? Here's the image. There it is with the text. So kind of at a standstill here until I figure this out.